Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to create a GitHub profile. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com if you've not already. So what you want to do is go to the URL bar, type in github.com and open it up. So once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where you can see we can access all the options of GitHub, such as the products, solutions, resources, and so on. It's going to look like this. And now we can get started. So basically guys, to create a profile and get started using GitHub, it's very easy. All we need to do is just look right here in the upper right corner. In the upper right corner, we are going to have the sign up button. Clicking the sign up button is going to enable you to get started with using your email that you want to use and the username that you want to use. So input the email that you want to use, type it in right here, select the password that you want to use, make sure it follows the rules right here, and then you can go and select the username right here that you want to use. By selecting your username, you can click continue, and once you click continue guys, it's going to go ahead and open up the official GitHub page with your new login account. It's going to look like this is the main page where after you have logged in, now we can get started with accessing our dashboard, repositories, and so on, everything we need in GitHub, and get started using it, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.